In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import wholesale products from China. We'll go from choosing the right product to receiving your shipment so you can move forward with confidence. Start by deciding what you want to import. Look for items with steady demand, healthy profit margins, and lighter weight to keep shipping costs down. Just as important, make sure your product isn't restricted, regulated, or protected by copyright or trademarks. To validate ideas, browse bestsellers on major marketplaces, review trending categories on craft and niche platforms, watch social media trends, and study what competitors are successfully selling. Keep a simple spreadsheet of price points, estimated shipping, and potential profit so you can compare options objectively. Once you have a short list, find reliable suppliers on major wholesale platforms. Favor suppliers with verified or gold status, strong reviews, and years of experience. A fast response rate and protections like trade assurance are good signals. Read listings carefully and look for clear product specs, professional photos, and consistent communication. Reach out to several suppliers at the same time. Ask for unit pricing at different quantities, the minimum order quantity, production lead time, available customization, shipping methods they can arrange, and whether they can provide samples. Give clear specs so quotes are comparable, and ask what's included in the price, such as packaging. Before placing a bulk order samples. Use them to check overall quality, finishes, and durability, and to verify packaging and labeling. Samples are also perfect for taking your own product photos and testing the customer unboxing experience. If the sample meets your standards, negotiate. Be polite but specific about your target unit price, your preferred minimum order quantity, and whether they can offer reduced or included shipping or custom packaging. Confirm agreed terms in writing before you pay. Choose a shipping method that fits your budget and timeline. Air shipping is faster, often about 1 to 2 weeks door to door, but costs more and suits smaller or urgent orders. Sea freight is slower, typically 3 to 6 weeks, but far more economical for larger or bulk shipments. Consider using a freight forwarder to handle logistics. They can coordinate pickup, manage customs clearance, calculate import taxes, track the shipment, and arrange door-to-door delivery, which simplifies the process. Understand your import taxes and duties. Expect import duties, local taxes like VAT or sales tax, and customs fees. Check your country's rules for your specific product category before you place the order. When you're ready to pay, use secure methods such as platform-protected payments, trusted online processors for small orders, or secure bank transfers. Avoid sending money outside the platform if you can. After shipment, request tracking or shipping documents, monitor progress, and be ready for delivery. Inspect the goods immediately upon arrival, document any issues with photos, and report problems to the supplier promptly so they can help resolve them.